everybody, it's Brooke from Heat Transfer Warehouse, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use Forever Laser Light Paper with the Crio white toner printer. So let's dive in. So this is what the laser light paper looks like. So you're going to have one side that's blank, one side that has these lines and writing on it, and the side that you actually print on is the blank side. It's also recommended that you have a silicone sheet and that you remove any Teflon covers or heat press sheets, anything like that. So we are gonna go ahead, remove this guy. So here I have two designs that are printed with the laser light paper. Yep, and now we're just going to show you how to press this. So let me check the temp of the heat press. Oh, okay, we're good to go. Get any moisture and wrinkles out. I did crank up the pressure. Okay. Now for our gnome design. Gonna line it up on the shirt. Make sure we're all good to go. Okay. Oh boy. Nice. 40 seconds. And then it's gonna be a warm peel. All right, looks like it's done. We're gonna pull it out, warm peel. So we're not gonna wait for it to get cold, but we are gonna wait a little bit. Okay, now that we have let it cool a little bit, I'm gonna try peeling it. We're doing the good old slow and low method. So let's take a look at the success. Ta-da! So with this product, you just want to make sure it's a little bit more intermediate. There's more steps involved. So you just want to make sure that you're getting all of your settings dialed in, your temperature, your time, even your pressure. And then you'll want to do a tester shirt before actually doing your finished product. Okay, thank you everybody for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more great videos like this. Bye.